Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to do a little bit more with strings here in the next couple videos. Right now we're gonna learn about the method count. So real fast, everybody remember how to find methods with certain classes? We use the help. So let's go through here right now because I'm going to show you how handy this is. These are all in alphabetical order, so C count, even I can do that. Alright, it's way up here at the top. So there you go right here. So all this. Now let's say you don't want to go and scroll through that. So you just go help str count, I can type, boom. So you just literally, and remember, these act exactly like functions, but the dot notation makes them methods. So here we go. This is important. Return, and what this is going to do. So I'm going to show you how and why this is super handy. So let's just say we had a variable that was just a bunch of alright, so now let's say we just wanted to count the A's. Just want to count A's. Alright, so this is how long it would take us to do this. So we have to count, so we have to come up with some variable for I in ABCs if I equal to, we're counting the A's, count increment print count. Save and run. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 A's. But this is a bunch of junk, right? Alright. Now, what did we learn here? The string. Whenever you see, it's always going to be like for, I think L, for list is L, string is just S, and then this is your dot notation, and here is your substring, is whenever, what that means right there, substring. So we're testing for this a substring of just the letter A. So let's show you, and we need this string, so the S. So we're going to type in this is our string count. It's our method, so we got to keep up with our parentheses. So here's our substring, and Python helps us keep up with our parentheses. It grays out. So now let's run this. Ta-da, 4. So look how nice, clean, and clear and simple this method is right here to do the same amount of work this is. So you don't have to think about it. You don't have to do this. So we just learned a new method for our variable type class string that we know all about. And I'm going to do a couple more of these because there are some very powerful tools that Python already has done for us, and you may be picking up on the pattern that are going to throw out a lot more of what Python's already done for us. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button, and leave any comments, questions below, any videos that you may like for me to explain in further detail, or something that I haven't gone over yet. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys are getting something out of this, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.